In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on Gmail sound notifications in Chrome. Whether you're waiting for an important email or you simply want to stay on top of your inbox, enabling sound notifications can be a game changer. Let's walk through this process step by step so you can make sure you never miss a beat. First, you'll need to have both Google Chrome and Gmail open on your computer. Start by navigating to your Gmail account. Once you're in your inbox, look toward the upper right corner of the page and you'll find a gear icon, which is your settings menu. Click on this gear icon and it will trigger a drop-down menu. From here, select See All Settings, which should take you to the full settings page, packed with a variety of options to tailor your Gmail experience exactly the way you need it. Now, in the settings page, you'll need to locate the General tab. This tab is automatically selected when you enter the settings, which makes things easier. Scroll through the section until you find Desktop Notifications. Here, you'll see three different options: New Mail Notifications On, Important Mail Notifications On, and Mail Notifications Off. To start receiving sound notifications, you'll want to either select New Mail Notifications On to be alerted for every new email, or Important Mail Notifications On if you only want to be notified for emails marked important by Gmail. Go ahead and make your selection based on your preference. After you've selected your desired notification setting, you'll need to ensure your browser is set up to deliver these notifications. A prompt might appear at the top of your Gmail tab asking if you want to allow mail.google.com to show notifications. Click Allow to ensure Gmail notifications are enabled for Chrome. If you don't see this prompt or need to adjust your notification settings, you can manually enable notifications within Chrome. To do this, click on the three vertical dots in the upper right corner of Chrome to open the menu. From there, choose Settings and navigate to the Privacy and Security section. Select Site Settings, and then scroll to find Notifications. Here, you can manage which sites are allowed to show notifications. Make sure mail.google.com is listed under the Allowed to Send Notifications section. If it isn't, you can add it manually by clicking Add and entering mail.google.com. Finally, it's important to check that your computer's sound settings are appropriately adjusted so you can hear the notifications when they come through. Ensure your speakers are on and the volume is set at a level that's audible for you. Now, whenever you receive an email, a sound will alert you, keeping you connected and informed without needing to constantly check your inbox. And that's it. You've successfully set up sound notifications for Gmail in Chrome. This little adjustment can really make a big difference in managing your email communication efficiently. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks.